So till now what we have studied, quickly we will revise and then we are going to proceed ahead. The very first point we have discussed is carbon. It is a tetravalent in nature. Very important. Carbon, it is what, students? It is tetravalent in nature. Tetravalent means it will form 4 bonds because it has a 4 valence electron. So 4 valence electron means it will combine with some other 4 electrons. Okay. And if it is combined with other 4 electrons, definitely it can form only and only 4 bonds. Now all the 4 bonds, it can be single bond, or it can be double bond like this. Okay, if it is double bond, then on the first carbon 2 more bonds are there. Okay, because it needs 4 bonds, okay, to be stable. Then again the second carbon, 2 bonds, then 3 and 4. It can also be present in the form of a triple bond, carbon, triple bond, carbon, like this. Okay, so this is the entire concept related to tetravalent. Then we studied it shows a catenation, and carbon, it has a maximum tendency to show catenation, right? Why mutual sharing, or why it forms a covalent bond, students? Because of high ionization enthalpy, because of very high first ionization enthalpy, right? So these are the few points we have discussed related to the carbon atom, and because of all these points, it is very important element in the entire organic chemistry. Without carbon, we cannot study organic chemistry. Remember this. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for the full course, and drop your question in the comments. And don't miss the next video in this series. It's linked right here on the screen. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.